not surprising you're good at like this. Your eyes open even when we kiss. You're so distant, so cold, so resistant. You see the world in only gray and black. Now how can anybody live like that without dying for dreaming? And you stare out the window at the passing cars, and you look at the sky, think you're unlucky stars, no, never quite happy right where you are, so you keep on inventing shadows where there are none. No, there are none. Yeah, you keep on inventing shadows where there are none. You don't even see the sun, can't you see the sun? You can't be shocked that I might want to live the way you live is like you have to think. You just drain me. If I go, who could blame me? And you stare out the window at the passing cars, and you look at the sky, think you're